Okay guys, let's do another video. There was two train collision in India, and this has happened, I will tell you, yesterday, I think, on the 28th or 29th of October. So two passenger train has collided in India in the state of Andhra Pradesh, where at least 13 people has been killed and over 50 people injured. It has happened on the 29th of October. 13 people killed, 50 injured, two passenger train collided. You can see the damage there on the pictures. Okay, you guys must have read it by now. I'm going to show you. I knew something like that was about to happen in that region. I dreamed that on the 14th of June, and it has happened a few months after. The title is Train Accident in Bangladesh. I thought it was in Bangladesh, but India and Bangladesh are adjacent to each other. I think Bangladesh is considered to be part of India, a different state. The only thing I get wrong is that I saw 217 people will die. In fact, it's only 13 people and 50 injured. And I wrote it also there, so definitely another train disaster in that region. I knew it can happen in Bangladesh, Nepal, India, or any other country. It's a circumference, guys. It will happen anywhere within that circumference. Thank you for watching. Please share it.